fireworks.
This is the
No,
beginning.
this is just the beginning.
This is Crunchy's finale right here.
I want a sparkler, like, really bad. She's like riding with the sparkler. Like, cause you know how when you go with the sparkler? I did that.
Trade your broken matches for a spark.
Tie them all together. And slide them all.
Trips.
The guy to go on the stairs.
I love things.
I like the willow ones.
Yes, they're great. Or the ones that like pop and they're like crackle.
I like the ones that look like gnats. Like they're flying in all different directions, but they're really small.
Yeah, yeah, they just like shoot out all
Yeah,
kinds of
just
stuff.
like all spiraling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's different ones. They're like
Or the
Laurel.
ones that
Laurel
are,
knows
like,
what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Like that blue one. There's the willow.
I like those too.
I would just love to get my hands on at least one of these things. Take it to somebody's house at a party. And watch this.
And then run out the house.
I don't know how they get. Is there like a difference between those and something you can buy at like Spartan?
Tyler go to school for that.
Or live in Virginia.
That's probably what happened to the trailer. I like them too, like where they shoot up and then they disappear. And it's like really
Yeah.
big.
There's your willow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't mean to be picky, but
What's he doing? You heard that?
Ping pong.
Like screaming.
Yeah, just no, I'm joking. I don't really know.
Take it easy.
That was a good one.
Has a good boom factor.
Were they this Friday too?
Yeah. I think they were.
How do you write things in the sky with fireworks?
A lot of money. I don't know. Make it happen.
oh yeah? You go on. You're like, I don't know, people.